Well, I guess the deal is you can't. If you let the video go over 10 minutes, it doesn't auto-save it. Erases. Anyways. Missed the train. Oh well, there'll be other trains. These tracks look different. I don't know. Definitely used. A lot of little scratches and scoring there. Very, very small though. Small little lines. I wonder if it's some kind of stretching or metal fatigue. This is all man-made here. This last went on all the way into the winter. They only stopped for snowstorms. It's neat though. It's cool if it was deeper. Take an airboat out there or something. It's good that they're going to allow people to come back here, ride their bikes, and walk their dogs. Here comes I hear a train in the distance. Maybe that's the expressway. I know some of the tracks over north and south back there. Up a ways, up that road. But it's very peaceful around here. Those birds like this, I guess they can stand on that pipe. That's where they all line up. I noticed they were all lining up on top of that thing. And it looks like they can stand on it. That's why. The ducks are back already, flying around. Some of the bugs don't never leave. If you collect railroad insulators, I know it sounds like there's another train coming. Let's check it out. Anyways, a lot of insulators up in these old, looks like people have taken some of them off. They saved all these oak trees. There's a grove of oaks, old oaks. I don't know how they got here, who knows, but they didn't put them down. See if this train's coming here. They redid a lot of these tracks. I wonder if they're just going to leave those there. Maybe those are just really old. A lot of cracks. Yep, sure enough, here it comes. That's up right. I'm going to blow his horn and season here. barreling in here from the what? There's the end. Crack the wheels or something on that one. Holy mackerel. Bump, 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 bump. Anyways, I better cut this short so this one saves. We'll be on with the bike ride.